Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been long I drop uh educational video here, but subsequently probably this week or starting from next week I'll be recording videos and drop for you guys. To be packed with a lot of gem, and I hope you can just take your time and watch those videos. Now I will just share with you usoil, my buyers for this week. Actually, usoil has been a very good pair that I've been trading since last month. I'll show you my PNL, I'll show you my executions of trades I took on this pair. It was actually a nice trade. And let me just show you very quickly. Now I can see from here the price is actually reacting from this level. Now we'll have marked the V level, but let me just mark the wick of that candle. Now, because this is another block here, let me just mark that wick where price is actually reacting from. So we can actually see it on the monthly time frame also. That is actually reacting from this monthly V level. Can you see it from the monthly time frame? Yeah, this is the monthly time frame. Now going down to weekly time frame, do we have a breakout? We don't have a breakout yet on weekly time frame. Now let me start another storyline on the weekly time frame. Now weekly is rejecting weekly on this weekly time frame. Now what are we to do? We have to go to daily to look for a breakout, right? Now we have a breakout on daily here. Now this is a breakout here on daily. Can you see? This is a breakout here. Let me just mark this place as my breakout on daily. Can you see now? And then from this breakout, you could see the price was engineering liquidity, and then came to this particular QM. Can you see this Quasimodo here? Can you see this QM here? Price tapped it after creating liquidity very close to it. You can see that price tapped it now. Can you see? Yeah. Now from this, you can see that another storyline has started from this daily time frame. Now going to this daily time frame, let's start with this storyline 2 on daily time frame. Now we have daily rejecting daily. Let me delete this. Now we have daily rejecting daily. Yeah, can you see? Now if you are very familiar with CRT, you will discover that the low of this candle has been swept, right? Now the next thing we expect price to do is to come and take the eye of this particular candle. Are you there? That's what we should be expecting. And then if you look from the weekly time frame, now let me show you another thing that I saw on the weekly time frame. Now I could see a sweep here. Can you see a sweep here? I could see a break here. Your normal SMC. Can you see a break here? Now I could see a break here. Now we should be expecting liquidity to form very close to this apex. Now I always made mention of this apex. It's very, very important to set your trade at the apex level. Most times, every time, it's always advisable. Though there are some times that you miss trade, but it's all fine and good. But the apex is always the best. Do you get it now? So I see a sweep here. Can you see the sweep? I see a sweep. I see a break, and then I could see that from here, price is reacting currently from this OCL on the weekly time frame. Probably price will just give us something like this to the weekly time frame. Just give us some from this low and then use that as a liquidity, or probably create another small inducement and then probably continue the sell like this. But we don't know yet, but probably that's what price will do. Do you get it? So that's another thing I see. So I'll just be buying usoil just for some time, probably to this QM here, because these are key levels that you need to watch for. To this QM and then to this level here. Do you get it? So I'll be buying usoil till price take this place, this high here, because you can see even from this weekly time frame that this is another CRT. Look at this white candle here. You can see that it's embodied this candle, this first candle, this black candle, like 3 candles now. So that's a CRT for you. So you'll be expecting price to either take the eye of this candle or the low of this candle, and then immediately price take the eye of this candle and hit a key level. You should expect price to what? To reverse in the opposite direction. Do you get it? That's the importance of CRT now. Now let's go back to our daily time frame where we've started the storyline from this QM. Now you could see that daily has started rejecting daily here. Now let's go to 4 hours time frame. Now you need to follow. You can see that I was following time frame alignment. I checked from monthly, the rejection from monthly. I checked if there is a breakout on weekly. Since I didn't see a breakout on weekly, I went down to weekly time frame to start another storyline. So weekly reject weekly, which is this, the level that I marked the other time. Weekly rejecting weekly, I marked this area the other time. Do you get it? And then I went down to daily time frame to check for a breakout. Now I have a breakout here. Do you get it? After I have a breakout, what will I do? I will just go to 4 hours for what? For my structure. Now, but before that, I could see the price actually reacting from here also, from this daily time frame, from this QM. So I'm starting another storyline here. Now, daily reject daily here. Can you see? Now let's look for H4. If we have a breakout on H4 yet. Now, we don't have a breakout on H4 yet. Can you see? There's no breakout on H4 yet because the candle is actually coming with impulsive sell. Now, before we could conclude that probably price we go in this direction, we need to wait for confirmation. But tomorrow I'll be expecting price to come to these levels. This level, this open and close, and this V level here. Do you get it? And I'll watch price reaction. If price will give me confirmation for a buy, then I will take a buy from here. Now let me show you something. Now all these sales, starting from here, I caught all these sales from here to this place. I caught another sale around this side, this place. Yeah, around here. I caught this sale, this particular one here, this one. I caught this sale also, this one. So I'm going to show you the execution anyways. And this sale also, I was supposed to, I had the trade here on this particular place. I think I had it on 2 hours. I think I marked, let me show you on 2 hours time frame. It was a V level on 2 hours time frame, but price just, it swept me out and then it went down to my direction. I'll show you everything. So, but on usoil, this is what I'll be expecting. No, from the O level, the O sale I marked. Now this weight is on 4 hours time frame. I will just refine it to this RBS and SBR here. Now we have an RBS here and we have an SBR here. So I will just be watching this zone. If price should come to this zone, we can have a buy from here, from this zone like this. But I'll wait for confirmation. We can have a buy from this zone like this, and then go up to take that particular high that we are talking about. But we need to wait for confirmation since we don't have a breakout on the 4 hours time frame, probably because of the impulsive move of this sale. Now, whenever you have an impulsive move like this, there is one thing I want to show you that you need to know. You know, price, you don't need to wait for a breakout until price make a breakout at this highest peak before you can start looking for your entry. You should expect price to do something like this. After an impulsive sell like this, you expect price to do something like this. Can you see? It will tap this level, break another structure, create liquidity as it's coming down like this again. Always watch for this kind of entry. You will see it all over and all over again. Really, anytime you have an impulsive sell downward, you will see this kind of structure forming on the chart. But if you are not familiar with this kind of structure, you won't know that a trade is actually there for you to take. Do you get it? So just watch for this kind of scenario. Just watch for it. I think I will have to show you, maybe probably in the next video I will make, I will have to show you how it actually works. But you should watch for this kind of setup. Do you get it? Immediately you have an impulsive sell like this, you see price doing something like this, creating a break of structure. Sometimes it will break a structure before creating a liquidity. Sometimes it might not, but you will see something like this. But it's always advisable to enter at this place, to enter the trade here. After the break of structure, enter at this as this second entry here is always advisable. You get it? So that you know that okay, actually price is actually buying. You get it? It's always advisable to enter at this stage. Immediately price create the false inducement here, engineer liquidity, and tap to this, probably this V level, and created a break of structure like this, it should wait for price to create another inducement downward like this to tap another block or probably V level here before continuing the buy. So you should always enter at this stage like this. Do you get it now? So I'm actually expecting price to come down to this place and pick a buy, but we have to wait for confirmation. We can't just conclude. Thank you for your time, and if you've not subscribed, you can subscribe and then follow the channel.